Hey folks, electric potential here with the cute little 3-pin Medeco Camlock. This thing is currently unranked, and I think it might get ranked soon. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. All right. Yep. Just the interesting thing about these cam locks is there's no top drivers. It's just a sidebar that sticks through. Has a little V shape to it and some rings with. And then there's the actual hole that the sidebar goes into. I haven't gutted this thing yet, so we'll see. We'll see what's up. So that's it. Okay. Get that. All that off. Get the cam out. Okay, so there's our sidebar. And there's a Bible cover. There's going to be some springs and 3 pins in here. So I'm going to end up fixing this later, but I'm just going to pop this out just like that. There we go. There's our 3 springs. Okay, where's my focus at? Focus. There we go. Just like that. Let's adjust our exposure a little bit so it's not as bright. There we go. Okay. There's the 3 pins. There's the sidebar. This is a fun little lock. Teaches you a little bit about spinny pins, and with 3 pins, it's really not that difficult. All right, so there's some little nipples on the top there. The pins sit around there. If we look down there, you can see the little nubs on the side of the pin and a channel right there that limits the rotation of our pins. All right, let's take a look at pin 3 here.
Marty.
All right. All right, so this is a slightly different style. I was expecting the other Camlock style. Okay, so these style of pins are just a little bit harder because the nub from the what is this called, the sidebar, can get stuck there pretty good. All right, so cool. So there's that. There's that one. And here's this one. So when you first tension the lock, at least with these higher lifts, the sidebar will engage in here. So you need to loosen tension a little bit so that way you can pop the pin out. And then you need to rotate it so that way the sidebar goes in. And generally what you want to try to do is start at either the front or the back to get one of those pins in, and then pick your way through the rest of the lock. Because as the sidebar starts going in, pins will start binding a little harder, and you'll be able to tell what's set and what isn't. Cool. Thank you all. Have a good one.